In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a template to multiple documents in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know a quick manual method for combining documents under one template, and how to turn on automatic template matching so DocuSign can do the heavy lifting for you. First, let's make sure you have a reusable template ready. Sign into your DocuSign account and head to the home area. From there, open Envelope Templates. Then choose Create an Envelope Template. Click Upload, and when the file picker opens, select Desktop to locate your file. If you see Desktop more than once, just pick it again and choose the document you want to base your template on. Click Upload to bring the file into DocuSign. Next, fill out the highlighted fields on the template setup page. These are the required details for your template, such as key identifiers or settings DocuSign needs before it can save. Once those highlighted items are complete, click Save and Close. Your template is now ready to use across multiple documents. Now, here's the fastest manual way to apply that template to several files at once. Start a new envelope and upload all the documents you want signed together. After they're in the envelope, choose Add Documents from Template. Pick the template you just created, and DocuSign will apply the template's fields to the documents in your envelope. This approach is great when you're sending a mixed set of files in one go. A quick tip: if your documents need to be signed in a specific order, arrange them before you apply the template so the fields land where you expect. If you prefer automation, turn on template matching. Click your account menu in the top right, open My Preferences, and then select Template Matching. Enable Match Templates to uploaded files. With this on, DocuSign will scan your uploaded documents and suggest, or even automatically apply, the most relevant templates based on the document content. This is especially helpful if your team uses consistent document layouts or file names, and you want to reduce manual clicks. To recap: create and save your envelope template, use Add Documents from Template in a new envelope to apply it to multiple files, and enable template matching in Preferences for automatic suggestions or application. With these options, you can standardize fields, reduce errors, and move much faster in DocuSign. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to apply templates to multiple documents with confidence.